Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to restore backup from Google Drive. So go for in this Google Drive's home page. Now you can see a three-line option here. Click on it and go for settings. After that, you can see a backup and reset option here. Click on it. Now you need to turn on it. So go for turn on and you can see this is turn on now. So this is how you can restore backup on Google Drive. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.